ISKCON. ISKCON is an acronym for the International Society for Krishna Consciousness. It is a company that has been established to provide the world with many valuable secrets of Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam. These are considered to be the essence of Lord Krishna's life, who took birth in order to give a new dimension and meaning to happiness. In this video, we will learn some valuable teachings about life by ISKCON. Subscribe to our channel, The Spiritual Saga, for more such informative videos on meditation secrets, mysteries, and mental tranquility. ISKCON is the company that says life is about knowing the power and tranquility of heart rather than thinking about the material happiness and worldly things. ISKCON was founded in the year 1966 by Sri Abhaya Charanaravinda Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada Swami. He travelled on a flight to New York for about 36 days, where he established a company with some Native Americans. ISKCON is also known as a Hare Krishna movement. The name of the movement was the worldwide introduction of Hare Krishna, a precious mantra that brings mental development and tranquility. Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada Swami was 70 years at the time of establishing this institution, but the origins of it can be tracked back in his early 20s. When Prabhupada met his mentor in Calcutta in 1922, he said, "Educate the youth on how to love yourself and share the secrets of Sri Krishna Bodhanas to them. We can convey these secrets to the Western brothers by teaching them this way of life in English." It is no exaggeration that ISKCON had reached millions of people in the world today as the temple of Krishna in their minds and the place of tranquility in their hearts. Sri Prabhupada had announced 5 major objectives during the establishment of ISKCON. 1. Developing spiritual knowledge. To cultivate peace and harmony in the world, to cultivate brotherhood and love among the human beings beyond the boundaries of religion and borders, to make people accustomed to their spiritual worries and perpetual happiness. 2. To teach Krishna philosophy and lesson on how to practice psychology and see the gap of life, presenting to the people the essence of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, which touches every stage of life and provides an ocean of knowledge. 3. Raising more adoration for Krishna philosophy and getting as many people onto this platform, raising humanism and thereby gaining self-awareness. 4. Promoting a collective, refreshing and recreational activities like hymn sessions along with implementation teachings of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. 5. Construction of separate buildings as spiritual forums for the peace and harmony of the devotees. 6. To teach how to lead a natural and peaceful life instead of running behind the materialistic luxuries of life. 7. Publishing and writing texts to get the above objectives to the masses. When we understand these principles and apply them in our lives, a continuous stream of happiness flows into us. We conquer an infinite power and supreme wisdom. ISKCON teaches us 4 wonderful lessons of life. 1. Eating natural food and abstain from being a carnivore. 2. To keep away all sexual desires and avoid extramarital affairs, prostitutions, etc. 3. Avoid gambling, which is a symbol of slavery and shackles. 4. Abstain from intoxicants that dehumanize man and destroy the precious life. These 4 principles enhance the sanctity and purity of life, introduce inner happiness and enrich the soul. In addition to this, ISKCON also gives us 4 important principles that every man should follow in their life. These virtues, which spiritually touch the peak, are useful in everyday life. 1. Kindness and compassion. The purpose of this virtue is to love a human being, to do good to those who are helpless, and to show kindness, love, compassion to others. The truth is, one loves his own self than others. 2. Self-restraint, penance, and meditation. These 3 things bring out the infinite energy hidden in you. They are very useful for getting to know you and make the world aware of you. All the great personalities in the world have self-restraint, and one can control their selves with the power of meditation and willingness of penance. Ponder and save these words in your mind. Victory is yours. 3. Truth. The world seeks truth. The world respects truth. Speaking the truth is the way to solve many problems and maintain mental peace. 4. Self-cleansing and purification of body and soul. The more you practice, the more mental pleasure you will have. If the body is kept clean, the spirit inhabiting the body will make its energy more vibrant. The charisma and conspicuous glow reflects on the face. Thus, ISKCON has bestowed these 4 principles for us to pave the path to a higher lifestyle and enable us to experience another aspect of life. ISKCON has built many temples in India. More than 30 temples are scattered across the country. ISKCON is the go-to place that inspires people in the world and helps them attain peace of mind. In many countries, ISKCON temples offer spiritual and living life of the people. ISKCON is just not a spiritual destination. It also works to uplift the society by starting organizations like the Food for Life Global, which ensures everyday meal for millions of people across the globe. After all, what is more important than life? Food, right? Filling a starving stomach is divine than chanting mantras to the Almighty. Divine devotion is nothing more than a service to a miserable man in distress. ISKCON had always been a shoulder to the poor and needy. They have equivalently contributed their services to the society at the time of crisis like natural disasters and other calamities, just like the frontliners do. In the 1990s, when the countries of Chechnya, Bosnia, and Abkhazia were embroiled in a war, the company volunteers starved for food without counting their lives. Congratulations if you're already a part of the unique journey of ISKCON. Or if you're not, take the ISKCON course without any delay. Explore the true spirit of life and travel on spiritual paths and reach the edge of happiness. As a starting point for your journey, comment Hare Krishna in the comment box. Also comment the nearest ISKCON temples in your area and contribute to the spread of these ideologies. Hare Krishna, Hare Ram.